Alright guys, so this will be a model review of my John Deere 650J LT Dozer and 150 scale model review. I'll start with, I'll do a 360 of the model at the end of the review. I'll start with the blade. If you look very closely, you can see a tiny bit of bolt detail. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. You can move the blade. Um, well, and the dozer blade is very stiff, so that's as far as it can come up, and that is as far as it can go down. A little enough to lift the tracks, which is good, so you can get up, rocks and dirt and all that stuff. So you have your rock and dirt guard right here, and check the cylinders and everything. Right here in as you can see, there are cylinders controlling that. Its pivot point, it would be right there, as if you can see that pin. I'm not planning on making this a custom. In the front view of it, that looks nice from the front view. You have rubber tracks, but they are very nice tracks. They roll nice and smooth, no hassle. And you have a little hitch back here. I don't think that's big enough to hook up any kind of grader, like grading hitch or anything, but it's still nice. But you can see right here your etched grill, which is nice. Right there, your grill is etched. Right here, it looks like a sticker, but it does have a little bit of texture. Up here, your doors do not open, but they have the hinges as if they could. You have a nice amount of operator detail in the cab. That's very nice. I like that. From the back. Thinking about buying another one. I'm not too sure. I'm getting a diorama box built. This will be in it. So will the 200C and the 850J. So anyways, your rollers are on one axle, both of them. So they're on the axle so they don't turn oppositely. So it'd be pretty hard to steer this dozer. I don't think you could actually, but yeah. Nice rubber tracks, like I've already said. Down here, your rollers are plastic, but that's okay. I still very much like this model. And for a model comparison, this is something a lot of people might have. Some people might have this model, but that's the backhoe. So it's a pretty small model. I'm thinking about doing a model update. I'm not too sure. I'll just think about that. If you do, I'm probably going to do one, but yeah, it's still. But it is like I can't remember his name right now, but he has a review of the 650J LT. But as he said, it's broken up in your blade is broken up into two different sections. Your ripping part, your main digging part, and ripping to rip up dirt and rocks. Your flips. This is what flips the dirt in front and helps it to pile up, or helps you to push it out of the way. And then your cylinder guards and whatnot. But yeah, I really do recommend this model a lot, highly. I really like it. Uh, I love it. So yeah, if I figure out anything else, I will in my diorama. I guess add a little short clip of what I found out or anything. But yeah, it's a nice model overall. I mean, there's really no downfalls except for the plastic that's in it. They use a nice amount of plastic in the rubber tracks, but I mean, I actually like these rubber tracks. I mean, they're just nice. But yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching. So bye.